I warned about this and I said, look, we've kind of got a bit of a change of behavior in E-mini S&P, because if you think about what's been going on for the last, many months, it's a case of you see a dip and an immediately reversal, a dip and an immediate reversal. So that's what we typically had in E-mini S&P. But this week, not so much. It's kind of like we had a big dip. This was like 60, 70 points to the downside and a modest bounce. And then we kind of like went sideways, which is a break. It's a change of behavior. I always talk about changes of behavior. That's definitely a change of behavior, the fact that we've seen that. And the other thing I talked about was the fact that if you think about it, this line here, which had been resistance, 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 support, supports, well, we looked for support, we kind of held it, and then we fell through. And I said yesterday morning, this is the thing that really bothers me in E-mini S&P, is the fact that we actually came up into this area here and saw resistance up around that 2840 area. So would I look for support down in this area here? Subsequent to this low, in other words, over in this area here? Absolutely. But I would absolutely also be looking for resistance up in this area here. And I think what I said yesterday morning was, try and tidy up all these lines and circles, is what you really want to see is take out like 2843 to the upside. In fact, I think I even remember saying 2843. You need to take out 2843 for something like this, and we failed to do it. So what bothers me in E-mini S&P is support has become resistance, and it's a change of behavior. It's gone vertical. Typically when things go parabolic like this, it doesn't end well. And just to put that into perspective, we are now down from 2880 to 2800. We just dropped 80 points in about 5 days. I wouldn't be surprised to see something like this. I move back down into this kind of area here where we've previously been back in December, maybe down around the sort of like 2700 area. That's like another 100 points to the downside. So